Good morning, Morgan. And good morning to any of Morgan's friends that have joined us for this video today. Now we're going to talk about some Python libraries that are near and dear to my heart, and I hope they will be to your heart as well. All right, we're talking math stuff. All right. Now, there are three libraries that we're going to be talking about today. The first one is math. Okay, so you could do anything with the math library. Okay, right up there to frickin' trigonometry. I mean, I don't know if you'll be able to do fractals, but oh, you might. You know what? In fact, we should probably do a series of videos just on all the different stuff you can do with this. You know what? I'm going to end up doing freaking videos on all these different libraries because we're just scratching the surface in this series. So we're going to have to start doing some deep dives. All right, so that's math. Then, this is if you're going to be making any type of a video game. Okay, you're going to want to know all about the random library. Because what you're doing here pretty much is this is how you do the dice rolls. Like say if you're playing Dungeons and Dragons old school, you'd have like a 6-sided dice, an 8-sided dice, 12-sided, 20-sided dice, and you'd run for, to get a percentage to figure out whether or not you hit the orc or not. This is what we're talking about here. Okay, and this just makes random stuff. Right? Like, okay, pick one. Like it picked apple this time. Next time it might be the pear. The time after that it might be the banana. And then here's the dice roll, right? Where you're picking random numbers between 1 and 100. Okay? And then we've got this. Statistics, mean, medium, variance. Now, I don't think you guys are far enough along to be doing any statistical analysis, but this is some really, really cool stuff. And you're going to need it when you get to college. Okay? So it's best, but you know what? You guys are so much smarter than we were. You might be actually being exposed to this a lot sooner than we were. Anyway, so that said, let's go wander off and check out the sample code that I've got prepared. And here we are in the sample code. And I've just cut and pasted everything in here. All right. So when we run the math library examples, this is all going to come out pretty much. You know what? I'm not really showing this. Let me go change this real quick. It won't take but a second. Boink, boink, boink. Tick, 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 tick. Oop, too far. What comes next? Then that. All right. Okay. And let's just save a little time. Ka-tink, tink, tink, tink. Give me that. I want to put you right there. Tink. Tink, 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 tink. Boink. All right. You'll see that. Hopefully it'll come out, okay. Here's the random. Okay. So we're going to run it. And we're going to see what pops out. And then we'll see the apple. And there's a 33% chance it'll be, you'll see apple twice. Here's the randomizer. Here's a floating point randomizer. Where's the one where it goes anything between 1 and 6? Actually, it's 0 and 6 maybe. I don't know. We're going to find out. And then statistics. And the statistics are always the statistics. So, here's the data. And all of these should match the outputs. Well, anyway, with that said, let's see what the output looks like. What do you say? And here we are in the output. All right, so there's the stuff I threw in. And look, this one went a little bit, in this one it rounded it up. Okay. Oh, look! Score! Apple, apple. But if you look down here at the list that was created with that randomizer, oh, look! We scored again on the 4. Wow. Yeah, we had a 1 in 6 chance of these two matching. I know, it's silly. And then here, sure enough, all the statistical stuff showed up exactly like we expected. Anyway, so that's for the video for the day. It's mathy type stuff, and I like math, and I hope you like math too. Anyway, with that said, go out there and play in the sun and try not to get run over by any cars. Later!